looking for how to fix Samsung phone settings not opening or setting not opening in Samsung phone. In this video I show you how to fix settings not opening in Samsung a01 core or a03 core phone. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, click on search menu, search digital wellbeing app, scroll down, click on digital wellbeing, click on uninstall. Now follow method 2, go to files by Google, then go to apps. Now search here digital wellbeing app. Now click on 3-dot menu. Now click on uninstall. Okay, I hope that this method fix settings not opening, settings keeps stopping, setting has a stopped problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our site.